Hello friends, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Miniature House.
Let it go, let it go.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Elsa, are you here?
A soda vending machine would be a fun thing to have in this bedroom. Make cabinet frames and drawers from Foamex. Wrap red paper around it. Add cabinet doors. Use cotton buds as handles. Add decorative details. Done! Make simple drink cans from clay and stickers. What is your favorite drink?
Yummy.
Add rug.
Ta-da!
A pair of house slippers.
Wow, that's wonderful.
McDonald's bedroom completed. Transforming clay. Let's make a hamburger-shaped swimming pool. Green clay for making lettuce. Red clay makes tomatoes. Brown clay for making meat. Yellow clay for making cheese. Woo-hoo-hoo! Use colored chalk to cover the cake. Brush lightly. Sprinkle with sesame. Hamburger wrapper completed. Recycle plastic cups to make the core of the swimming pool. Use straws and cotton swabs as ladders. Punch a hole. Make potato chips from plastic beads. Spray water to create adhesion between particles.
Great!
Take a look at the hamburger pool. Next, I make bunk beds for Elsa and Anna. The two princesses will love it. Bed frame from blue clay. Make a mattress using cardboard, fabric, and stuffing inside. Use for ribbon and lace to decorate the surface. Done! Anna's lower bunk. Elsa's upper bed. Edge the bed with faux pearls. Pillows made from sparkling fabric. Bordered with velvet wire. Add decorative snowflakes. Ladder up and down from white clay. Complete the window for the bed frame.
Wow!
Bunk beds are ready to serve. The rainbow staircase is the highlight of the house. Red, yellow, green, blue, purple. The living room is the last room to be completed. TV shelf. Television has Elsa image. Speaker set made from clay studded with sparkling stones.
Ta-da!
Turn up the music.
Let it go, let it go.
Blue sofa and purple cushions. And legs. Use lace to surround the sofa.
Woo!
Done. What will be in Elsa's garage? Sleigh, of course. Woo-hoo-hoo! Wonderful. The house is completed. Which theme do you like? McDonald's or Frozen? Please leave your opinion below in the comments section.
Hello, I like